Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful TradingView feature that can really elevate your chart analysis, how to draw and customize a parallel channel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the Parallel Channel tool, how to plot it on your charts, and even tweak it to fit your personal trading style. If you've ever wanted to better visualize price trends, spot channels, or just make your trading charts a little cleaner, you're in the right place. Alright, let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your TradingView chart and head over to the drawing panel. Now, depending on your setup and your screen size, the drawing panel is usually on the left side of your TradingView window. It looks like a little vertical menu with different drawing tools stacked on top of each other. If you hover your mouse over the icons, you'll see more options pop out. What we're looking for is the Parallel Channel tool. In the drawing panel, you'll notice an icon, usually kind of angled, that represents channels or lines. Go ahead and click on it, and from the list that appears, find the one labeled Parallel Channel. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds to find. TradingView organizes a lot of tools in these little drop-down menus, so it's perfectly normal to click around a bit. Once you click on Parallel Channel, your cursor will change, confirming that the tool is active. Now here comes the fun part, plotting your channel on the chart. Think about where you want to draw it. Usually channels are used to identify areas where price is trending upward or downward, like a miniature river that price action flows within. To plot the channel, click once where you want your channel to start. This is typically on a swing low if you're drawing an uptrend or a swing high for a downtrend. After your first click, drag your mouse to where you want the channel to extend and click again. You'll see two parallel lines automatically appear. Now for the third click, move your cursor to adjust the width of the channel and click once more to lock it in place. It might take a moment to get it just right. Feel free to experiment and drag those anchor points until your channel really matches the price action you want to highlight. Once your channel is on the chart, you can start customizing it. Just click on any of the channel's lines to bring up the settings menu. Here, where things get really powerful, you can change the color, the thickness of the lines, or even make the channel area shaded or transparent to help you see price movements more clearly. Maybe you want a bright blue channel for bullish moves or a bold red for bearish trends. The customization options are really flexible, so take your time to set it up in a way that helps you best analyze the market. Remember, the more comfortable you are with your chart setup, the easier it is to make trading decisions quickly and confidently. But let's talk for a moment about why you'd want to use the Parallel Channel tool in the first place. Parallel channels help you spot trends and visualize price ranges more intuitively. They act just like the guardrails on a highway, showing you the upper and lower boundaries that price is respecting over a certain period. Traders use channels to identify potential breakouts, reversals, or simply to gauge whether the market is trending or consolidating. If you see price consistently bouncing between your channel lines, that's a strong visual cue you can act on. And that's really all there is to it. Drawing and customizing parallel channels in TradingView is quick but so helpful for technical analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel and lets me know you want more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite charting tips, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and trading tips. Thanks so much for watching and happy charting.